Hello, welcome to episode 180 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to be showing you something that many people ask me about. It's a song called Nothing Else Matters by Metallica. And the opening actually doesn't require your left hand at all. And the right hand picks through the strings individually. It was a great beginning exercise for fingerstyle to get to know the beginning of this famous song. It's really 4 notes repeated over and over. So start with your thumb and then pick the G string, that's the 4th one from the top, and the B string, 5th from the top, and the high E string, 6th from the top, that's the 1st one on the bottom, the open string. So you just pick through those strings, use your thumb, your index, your middle, and your ring, and it's just assign 1 finger to each string, and go down, and then reverse it. Now the B string, now the G string, now the E string. It just repeats like that. Yep, that's all it is. What you want to do, especially if you're just starting out, is take it very slow, with the priority being to make it as even as possible, rhythmically, and try to get the same even, loud tone out of each string, the same volume level. Let them all ring out. Make sure you don't stop any of them from ringing. That's all there is to it. So pretty simple in concept, but it will take some practice to get it very smooth and even. Yeah, just a great basic exercise, and shows you what a little simplicity can do to make a great song. So I hope it's useful to you. Please let me know any questions or comments you may have, and thanks for watching.